So who's liable for a slip and fall or a trip and fall accident in a business parking lot? Hi, my name's Charles Buist, and today we're going to be talking about premises liability cases in Florida. More specifically, we're going to be talking about slip and falls or trip and falls in a negligently maintained parking lot. So, let's get right into it. Slip and falls in parking lots occur much more frequently than you'd think, and people often get hurt very badly. Some of the more common reasons people fall in a parking lot is because the parking lot is in a bad condition. Over time, parking lots crack and crumble, and big chunks of the parking lot will shift around and create tripping ledges. Also, potholes emerge and sink deeper and deeper over time. As a result, a parking lot that is not properly maintained will eventually become an obstacle course full of trip hazards. In addition to cracked concrete and potholes, parking lots can become very slippery over time because a lot of vehicles will leak just a little bit of fluid, and over time, lots and lots of fluid and oil can accumulate in the same spot, and these surfaces can become very, very slippery as a result, especially when it rains. These slippery spots are a big reason people get seriously injured in business parking lots. Now, let's talk about parking lot lines. Sometimes painters will grind off old parking lot lines or paint them black before painting new lot lines on the parking lot. When they grind off these old lines, sometimes they end up polishing those lines to a shiny surface, which creates an extremely slippery surface, especially when it rains. Similarly, when line painters paint over old lines with a dark paint that doesn't have aggregate or some other sand-like material to make the paint less slippery, it creates a hazard. Thus, parking lot lines are another big reason people slip and fall and get hurt in business parking lots. So who is liable when you slip and fall in a business parking lot? The initial instinct is that the business is liable, the place where you were parking to go into. However, the business you were visiting may not own the parking lot. So, there may be other parties that are liable for your injuries. Similarly, the company responsible for maintaining the parking lot and the company responsible for painting the lines may be liable. Or, the company that built the parking lot in the first place may be liable. Thus, multiple parties may be liable when a person falls and gets injured in a parking lot. If you've been injured in a business parking lot and want to talk to an attorney about it, please don't hesitate to call our office. We're happy to give you a free consultation and talk with you about what happened and discuss your options moving forward. All you have to do is call the number below in the video description, or you can find us at www.carelesscompany.com. That's www.carelesscompany.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.